First, wash your fish. And scoop on 1 tablespoon of green seasoning. For about 8 fillets of trout, you'll need 1.5 teaspoons of each of all-purpose seasoning salt, complete seasoning, oregano, and Old Bay seasoning. Sprinkle on the seasoning, then mix the fish. Let it marinate for 2 hours. In a medium pan with oil and medium heat, place the fish skin side down and fry for 2 minutes or until golden brown. Then flip and fry for another 30 seconds. Repeat the process for all of the fish. Squeeze lemon on the fish and enjoy.